Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, anywhere you are. I am making this video, contributing on my own because of Nigerian Bar Association and the Chief Justice of Nigeria, all the judges in Nigeria, all the I think. I didn't go to school because I stopped in the secondary school, SS1 stroke SS2. But I know that I at least for my exposure now, what I have acquired in Europe here, I think I'm better than these lawyers. All of them are stupid. All the chief, I will say it. You people are stupid. All from the chief judge to all the judiciary in Nigeria is hopeless. You can't tell me that all your suffering in the school, all your time you spend in the school to acquire this knowledge, because of wisdom is the one you get from your mother whom God is giving you. Knowledge is the one you go to school because he doesn't know it. You go to school and acquire it. All your time spending, how many years you spend, the money your parents they suffer. Some of the people who is lawyer they go to school by themselves, working, going to school for them to become this lawyer. All your school, all your education, all your master's degree, all your PhD, you are under somebody who didn't go to school. You are under somebody who didn't, you can be under, I can open a company, invest, and you become my lawyer. Yes, I have a property, I have a lawyer there who is managing my property. But it doesn't mean, but somebody who doesn't have a certificate, you are under of that kind of person, and they bring the case of that person, that kind of person, his matter come to your chamber or your department. You couldn't stand and say the truth, and everything is okay. What cannot happen in Europe is happening in Nigeria, barbaric country. Why am I insulting all the senior advocates in Nigeria? All of you people, the school you people went and acquired is nonsense. You can't tell me you're a chief judge. You give order to release Yorore or release somebody or Dasuki or Sasaki, and the same case they will bring the government. Nigerian government doesn't want to obey your order, which is a country without law, without obeying the order of the land. That country is turning to anarchy. Nigeria is in anarchy, killing people every day. And the same case will come back to your chamber, your courts. As a chief judge, you still have time to put mouth on that. When the order you have never obeyed, and they bring the same case for you to talk, for you to speak or have suggestion. Why can't you people tell the world and the Nigerian Bar Association or judiciary and tell the international organization that Nigeria is not working, and you are there pretending I have a PhD, I have a master's degree, I'm a professor of law like Osubanjo, who is from lawyer to pastor. Say that one is a criminal. I know him. I pray that the Northerners will implicate him and even put him to the jail, because they are going to disgrace. Osubanjo is coming out there with a disgrace. You can't stand, and when you see evil and you condemn evil, look at the lawyers wearing white this thing cap in the head like Obogu, like Shekeleke, like Toro. All your education, what you suffered, what your parents suffered for you to become that what you are today, and you people are there cannot stand and even protest and said we are shutting down court, we are shutting down, we are not sitting in any of your organization. You people shut it down. Now the international organization, the international companies, all the world will be afraid to come to Nigeria and invest, and the world cannot come in and ask what is happening there. Moreover, our case, we are moving, Biafra, we are moving, we are going. Biafra is going to be one of the best black nation. We know that. We are not going to tolerate any other. Even if it's Nnamdi Kanu, who is piloting this, who is our captain now, who is our leader. As we are respecting him, he knows, Nnamdi Kanu know us. He know our character. If he misbehave, we destroy him. But I believe that guy come out, is God is the one who bring out that guy. He's a man of policy. That's why for you to convince Igbo people, many people, at least 90% of Igbo or Biafrans to join you, know that this man come from, is this man, someone like Nnamdi Kanu doesn't see those kind of people in the nation anyhow. There comes one in 400 years. In 400 years, they come only once. And after 400 years, you will see that kind of person. Nnamdi Kanu is in the same category of those people like Moses. So why I put Nnamdi Kanu on this? For him to be channeling this, and we are going, Biafra, we are going already. Nnamdi Kanu is leading us out of Nigeria from the crossing the Red Sea. Nnamdi Kanu will follow us to the land, the promised land. He will not stop on the way. This guy will finish this project. He will finish it. God ordained him to finish it. But why I'm calling him on this matter now, I'm talking about the judges of the son and the lawyers. Nnamdi Kanu will not do nonsense because he's a learned man. He cannot be anything I said will rule. It cannot happen. But we will obey him. And he's a learned man. He's not going to be like Buhari them. Nnamdi Kanu come with a good. God send him to. When I see that guy, I see the kind of thing they have in mind in Biafra. Europeans will be coming back to look for visa. Some Africans don't need to go to Europe. They will come to Biafra and get job because of this guy come to develop. This guy come to alleviate us from problem. We are the shit we are. So let me go back to the Chief Justice and the lawyers. These people, all the school, they say they are acquired or they go and acquire some knowledge. All of them, they are certificate. All of them, professors, all of them, they are foot. I am educated than them because none of them reason. When you give order, the government, you are the one of the arms of government. They say 3 arms: judiciary, and that is Senate and executive. You give order. The government, one of them don't want to hold. When they come to your own department, you will not obey what government is saying. So the anarchy will be. We know that we're in a lawless country, and they will be there because of they're giving them money. All the school, all these lawyers, you go look at the Subanjo. He's there. Say he's a master of law. He's a professor. Look at him going to the market, sharing money. Atiko will not tolerate that when he's ruling with Obasanjo. Obatiko will go and share money in the, because he bring. See, when you be in the throne to rule, stand your ground. The same position, almost the same position you are, is the same thing with the president. Abaki Yari, them we send you a vice president to go and share money in the streets, and he goes. A Christian. You leave what you have to stand your ground. There, he said, Buhari take me like his son. And they are dealing with you as a son. Since you call yourself as a puppet, as a boy, or Modashi. They use you like Fanika, they said it. Since you cannot stand your ground and claim your own domain, your own territory. You said, the president is taking me, an old man, a man of 60 years, he's taking me like a son. He can't stand. In Europe, even if my own son will tell you, Daddy, be calm there. The vice president is saying, he's taking me like a son. You are a son. That's why they're using you, sending you. When they go and so look at the economy, they send you. Now, British is telling Nigeria we are going to give them 100 trillion. This money, our generation, we are finished. Because of all the world, the international companies are pulling out and they want to take everything. They didn't bring anything, but they are going, the one that have already steal and take, now they want to wipe us, finish. Have you go to any country or any nation or any country, you see, even if the Hausa man or Fulani man, the economy of that place is okay. They destroy, they call Soludo. I was looking at Soludo. It's a bunkum. Soludo is a bunkum. They destroy, they call you to come and be an advisor. Tomorrow, if since they are not doing, this government is not doing well, they will implicate you, say you at least you are an advisor. Forget that, like now you're trying to make the speech. We know already that you are an advisor. You going there is not going to add anything in there, because when you give advice to do something, they will not do it. Now you have Soludo is in the record. This government, you join them to rule. So if this government is failing, you join them. You are the one you are among the people who fail government. So Ludo, why can't you remove how much money are they going to pay you? You didn't have, you have never get. Why can't you keep integrity? Keep a good name. Keep a good name. Leave this government. Let them rule and finish the government. The throat of money. You want to be going to UN and talk. That's why you want to be traveling with the private jet. Fool. Igbo fool. Money. None of them have policy and maintain. Let me go back to the lawyers. These lawyers in Nigeria. Why can't you people, all the Nigerian bars, all the chambers, all of you people, Nigerian Lawyer Association, and said, now we are shutting down the court or the chief judge. Since the government doesn't obey the order the chief judge give to release Showore or release Saisaki or the people court have give order. The people are there wearing white something, wearing colonize the people who colonize you, will still maintain it. In Europe, here, tell me any court here we have visited. I see somebody putting that white this thing in the head like a true like a peacock. When they wear that, they think that is a wisdom, food there. All of them are fool. All of you people, your school you go there is nonsense. Education Nigeria zero, no good road, no good water, no good atmosphere, no good hospital, no good health, nothing. You wear something in the head. When you somebody who didn't go to school is control, they will give order. When chief judge have give order to release Showore, to release somebody. Showore is not my brother. I'm an Igbo man. But I'm saying this because of the country is turning to. Our leader said this country will turn to Somalia. Time is coming. It's coming closer. And again, I am ashamed. I am very ashamed of Nigerian. You are celebrating Nigerian independence. Look at you, who is celebrating Nigerian independence. Tomorrow you start calling me here to give you money to eat. Thunder kill all of you people who is calling people in Europe. They say Nigerian independence chileke pokuno. Nage tagida last you go better. Your father died in suffering. Now you still celebrating a failed state, that demonic state. Nigeria is not working. Everybody go to his tent. Stupid country.